We are welcome to this Vmix tutorial for beginners. We'll start with the beginners, the first section. If you open Vmix for your very first time, what you have to know as a beginner. So I will first of all start on how to bring the video to Vmix, and also how to bring in the audio sound from into Vmix. So I will go straight to my desktop. I'll open my Vmix. Wait for the software to launch so that I go about doing what I have to do. Vmix 28. So when you open Vmix for the first time, this is what you are going to see. This is what your Vmix looks like when you open it for the first time. We have other information, the preset, new, open, save. Now we have the cut and other informations, the master, that's the audio mixer this way. And we also have the add input, we have the record button here, we have the external, we have the stream, we have the multicoder, we have the playlist, and we have the overlay and other things. So as the lesson will be going ahead, I will be teaching you on the functions and how we can use each of these icons in the Vmix: the record, the external, the stream, the multicoder, the playlist, and every other thing we see here. So for today, I'm going to start on how to bring in your video source into Vmix. To bring in your video source into Vmix, you go to when we first of all look at the Vmix, we see the preview screen. This is the preset screen, and this is the program screen. So you bring your information here and look at it before you send to the program screen. This is the preview and this is the program. So now I want to bring in a video into Vmix. So I go to add input and I click on add input. To have many options here. We have the video, we have the DVD, we have the list, we have the camera. Maybe you have the camera source is connected, or have the NDI and other things, image, photos, and other informations here which you can select to bring into your Vmix. So when I open the add input, this is what I'm going to see: video, DVD, camera, NDI, and etc. So I'm talking of bringing in my video. Maybe you have a recorded video that is already in the system, or you have recorded something that you want to bring into Vmix. So this is the option for video. Maybe you have a camera, you have connected your camera source to your laptop that you want to stream, or you want to record, or you want to do a recording, or you want to stream. So this is the section for camera. So you click on the camera section. This dashboard is going to open here. You need to know the name of the camera source, because you have to search the name here, which is going to bring the image. So for now, I don't have a camera that is connected, but in future lessons, I'm going to demonstrate this on. We come to live streaming and the rest. I'm going to demonstrate this. So first of all, you have to know your camera name. Maybe you have sent it through USB. You have to look at your camera name. You need to know your camera name, which you have to send. You have to bring in your video. I come to the video. Maybe I have a video source. So I click on the video source. I go to the browser to search a video, wherever my video is. Look for the video, be it on desktop or whatever, wherever the video is. I look for a video source to bring in. So this is a recorded video source. So I click on the video and I click on open. Then I have to confirm here with OK. So once I confirm with OK, that's the video source that is already in the Vmix. So you can bring in more video sources. You can still go back on your video, you look for other video sources where you have kept them, and you bring them in. If you have many sources, Maybe you have many videos which you want to use, you bring them in. Which you want to use, you bring them in, and you bring them in which you can use it. You have other video sources, and this is how we bring in our video into Vmix. Let me show you how to bring the audio. Still go to add input. Like I said, everything is here. So we have the Zoom video call, web browser, visual set, title, and every other thing. I'm going to look at each of these in the next lessons. I'm going to touch all of this. So for today, I'm talking on the video and the audio. So you look for your audio input. Remember, you are bringing in an audio. So you are not sending out an audio, you are bringing an audio into Vmix. So you look for audio input. So you click on your audio input. So you have to know the name of the device that is bringing in the audio into your Vmix, into your system, into your laptop. So you have to know the name of the device. So they are going to ask you for the audio device. So you have to know the name of the device. It can be Behringer or whatever audio device you're using. So once you know the name of your device and you search for it here, it's going to appear here. So once you click on it and you confirm, the name is going to appear here and you confirm on OK. So that's how you successfully bring in your audio device and your video device into Vmix.